SOL coin pumped 300%, FTT coin pumped 400%. So what's the reason behind all this? The short answer is FTX coming to the track. Also, the FTX 2.0 is coming. So do we all need to buy some more FTT and SOL? Let's know everything. Welcome back to CryptoJournal. We're thrilled to have you here. If you liked the video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to see upcoming videos. As we all know, FTT coin is a utility token that provides access to the FTX trading platform's features and services. It is also the native token of the FTX ecosystem, and the SOL is the largest asset on the FTX estate balance sheet, coming in at just over $1.16 billion. FTX collapsed in early November 2022 after CoinDesk reported an affiliated trading firm, Alameda Research, derived most of its value from speculative cryptocurrency tokens. A surge of customer withdrawals due to concerns over this questionable financial valuation practice and unusually close relationship with Alameda pushed FTX and Alameda into bankruptcy and shook the volatile crypto market, which lost billions and fell below a $1 trillion valuation. In December 2022, the US government brought civil and criminal charges against Sam Bankman-Fried and top executives for misappropriating over $8 billion in customer deposits, laying the groundwork for insolvency, and generating false financial statements inflated with niche token holdings to mask the shortfall. Bankman-Fried was tried in October 2023 and convicted in November 2023 on criminal charges for which he was extradited from the Bahamas to the US, except for one charge dropped in July 2023. He is slated to stand a second trial in March 2024 on charges filed after his extradition. While FTX crashed, other major cryptocurrency services went out of business, and the Bitcoin came from $21,000 to $15,000 in just 2 days. Also, other big coins collapsed one by one. Also, the Solana SOL coin came to $38 to $8 in just a week. Almost $8.9 billion customer assets were missing from the exchange, FTX. And 1 year later, FTX founder Sam Bankman-Fried was found guilty of 7 counts last Thursday. He faces up to 115 years in prison, involving fraud, money laundering, and conspiracy to commit these crimes. Stealing customer funds. 1 count of wire fraud. This is when someone uses electronic communications for a criminal act. And then failed crypto exchange FTX proposed a plan this week to refund up to 90% of distributable assets to customers. Distributable assets are funds FTX has been able to recover, not the actual amount of funds lost by customers. Actual recovery for customers could be lower, according to some FTX creditors. Those who withdrew more than $250,000 from FTX in the days prior to its collapse will be able to pay a 15% fee on those funds to avoid potential clawback. Refunds to be made in dollars instead of crypto will be the biggest opportunity cost for FTX customers, as crypto value has somewhat rebounded in recent weeks. FTX is expected to file the proposal in a US bankruptcy court by December 16 and can execute it once approved by the court. In the meantime, here comes the Gary Gensler. Gary Gensler is an American government official and former Goldman Sachs investment banker, serving as the chair of the US Securities and Exchange Commission. The price of Solana and FTT hit a rally a day after Gensler hinted that he is open to the potential reboot of FTX by Tom Farley, as long as it is done within the law. Farley is a former president of the New York Stock Exchange, who is among the 3 top bidders for the bankrupt exchange. Build the trust of investors in what you're doing, and ensure that you're doing the proper disclosures. And also that you're not commingling all these functions, trading against your customers, or using their crypto assets for your own purposes, Gensler told CNBC at the DC FinTech Week on Wednesday. After all of these issues, finally, FTX 2.0 is coming. A suggested plan by the bankruptcy administrators has been submitted, and it calls for the potential reactivation of FTX.com. Only consumers from abroad would be able to access the rebooted exchange according to the plan, and FTT token holders would receive nothing. John J. Ray III, the CEO of FTX, is pressing forward with his efforts to save the collapsed cryptocurrency exchange. The defunct cryptocurrency exchange would probably undergo rebranding as part of this relaunch. After knowing everything, we all can say that we can buy some more SOL and FTT coins with a proper DCA. If you liked the video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to see upcoming videos. Let me know your opinion below in the comments. That's all from CryptoJournal. See you soon with new news.